Namaste JVMs. I, JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic nasal spray. Nasal spray topic is very important. So, firstly, we discuss about the what is the introduction of nasal spray. Nasal spray drug products contain therapeutically active ingredients and drug substances dissolved or suspended in solution or mixtures of excipients, example, preservatives, viscosity modifiers, emulsifier, and buffering agents in non-pressurized dispensers that deliver a spray containing a meter dose of the active ingredient. The dose can be metered by the spray pump. So a nasal spray unit can be designed for unit dosing or can discharge up to several hundred metered sprays of formulation containing the drug substance. Nasal spray are applied to the nasal cavity for local or systemic effects, although similar in many features to other drug products. Some aspects of nasal spray may be unique. Example is formulation, container, closure, and system manufacturing stability, and drug product metering and spray producing. Example, orifice, nozzle, and jet. So pump mechanism and components are used for reproducible delivery of drug formulation. So these can be constructed of many parts of different design that are precisely controlled in terms of dimensions and composition. So the energy is required for the dispersion of the formulation as a spray. This is typically accomplished by forcing the formulation through the nasal actuator and its orifice. The formulation and the container closure system, container closure pump and any protective packaging collectively constitute the drug product. The design of the container closure system affects the dosing performance of the drug product. Both solution and suspension formulation can be formulated into nasal spray. So the active pharmaceutical ingredients of the nasal spray. An ideal nasal drug candidates should possess the following attributes. First one is appropriate aqueous solubility to provide the desired dose in a 25 to 150 ml volume of formulation. And the appropriate nasal absorption properties, no nasal irritation from the drug, and a suitable clinical rationale for nasal doses forms. Example, rapid onset of action. The low dose generally below 25 mg per dose and no toxic nasal metabolites. So the excipients used in nasal spray formulation, there are various types of excipients used in nasal formulation. Commonly used and frequently added excipients are as follows. To the buffers, nasal secretions may alter the pH of the administered dose, which can affect the concentration of unionized drug available for absorption, and therefore an adequate formulation buffer capacity may be required to maintain the pH. In situ example of buffer used in nasal spray and sodium phosphate, sodium citrate, citric acid. So the solubilizers, aqueous solubility of drug is always limitation for nasal drug delivery in a solution. So conventional solvent or co-solvents such as glycols and a small quantity of alcohol and transputol, diethylene glycol, monoethylene and medium chain glycerides and labrazole saturated polyglycolides C8, C10 and glyceride can be used to enhance the solubility of drugs. So this is the complete session of nasal spray. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you and thank you for the listening.